Yesterday was a good day. We opened up that Neapolitan ice cream epic evil-lyn, our first epic from Wave 1. So there we go. We represent, in the major, easier to get categories. We've got one on everyone, right? We need one over here.
Yeah.
But, okay.
Looking at battle cats.
Looking at battle.
We've got, we go back to the tracker. We have got 2 battle cats in the rare and legendary, but we've never got a real battle cat.
Right, because we want that original. We want that. Right, and we go down here to the rarities, right? We've got Cringer, and these are how they all appeared on the show. The cartoon and the toys and stuff like that. And then Cringer turned into Battle Cat. So while these guys are made up for Cryptoys, same thing here, right? Prince Adam and He-Man, right? So you needed a common and an uncommon to represent Prince Adam and He-Man.
Yeah, we've got.
And then a Cringer and a Battle Cat, right? Whereas these are alternates. You need the uncommons just to get the originals. So, back to the backpack we go.
Back to the backpack.
Back to the pack.
Back to the
and
backpack.
We're going with 1. Because we always go with 1. It worked last time. Yep. Now, as always, guys, if this is a duplicate, we're going to keep going. If this is a new one, then we celebrate and see you tomorrow. So, new ones mean more videos for you and more checkboxes for us. Okay. Drum roll, please. And it's Pizza He-Man. Do we have Pizza He-Man?
No, we don't.
No, because we just got our first epic. Look at that. Pizza He-Man. Let's go ahead and mark it over there. Look at that. Pepperoni Pizza He-Man. All right.
That's cool.
He looks great. Oh, let's go back. We didn't check. 524. Okay. And we did not. We forgot yesterday to check.
Yesterday we got.
Whoa!
51!
Number 51.
Out of 600 in the whole wide world.
We're number 51. All right. 2 good pulls back to back. Both epic, both food, both delicious, and both new.
What's our lowest?
We have a number 6 somewhere, I think.
We have a 6.
We have a number 12 He-Man for sure. Let's do it.
I think it's 15.
No, we have lower than that. Let's just go to Masters of the Universe.
Is this new?
No, when they released the backpack update. We got this. And then how else can we do it? Rarest first? No. It was wave 1. So let's see if that narrows it down. Number 51. Where's He-Man? 12. There's a He-Man, a number 12 He-Man. So I think that is the lowest one we have, is the number 12 He-Man.
We had another one that's a 6, definitely.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Well, who was it? It wasn't He-Man, right?
No.
I don't know. We'll have to hunt for it later and see. So, clearing all filters and showing 211 wrapped toys. And 3 more cubes. So, we opened 2, both new and unique. So, we'll see you tomorrow.